Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 4 ways how to import packages in PyCharm. It's pretty simple, let's go. The first way, go to the terminal, open terminal and write pip install. The problem with this method is that we need to know the exact name of the package. Write requests, enter. Requests package have been successfully installed. We haven't the error. Let's check, run the application, it's okay. And now we can, for example, from requests import example session, and it hasn't errors too. The next way, go to PyCharm settings, next choose our project, next Python interpreter, and we have only 3 packages. How to add our requests package? To do this, click plus and find requests library. Then choose our requests package and click install package. Package requests installed successfully. Close this window and we see that we have requests and other libraries to make package requests work. Okay, and we haven't error too. Let's check, it's okay. Let's delete packages to show the third way. To delete, click on install, yes, click uninstall again, and we have only 3 packages like a new project. Click OK. Now we have error, and the third way we can use a hint when we write import requests. We have a hint, click on it, and install package requests. Package installed successfully, we haven't errors, that's okay. Let's remove the extra packages again, okay. And the other way, in bottom menu, choose Python packages. And here we can also find requests package, choose requests, and then click install package. Package requests installed, and we haven't errors. Leave the comment which way you like best. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for the watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Have a good coding. See you.